Welcome you all on Tech Special Information. In my previous video, as I already informed you, FEDA IIT, which is a PLSI Training Institute, they are going to recruit engineer trainee for the company name Sectronics Technologies Private Limited. So this job profile is related to VLSI job. And I already made a video, but due to some technical issue, the video screen is not visible, so I am again making the video. In this video basically I will discuss about the preparation strategy, how to prepare for the exam, and what will be the syllabus and what types of questions may be asked. I will discuss in detail, so watch the video carefully. At first I want to tell you that last date of application is 3rd July and prelims test is on 10th July 2021. So for the application, apply on now, click here, and from here you can choose any domain, analog, digital or embedded system design according to your preference. Okay, now I will discuss about the syllabus and preparation strategy. So click the 3 lines here. Now start from analog engineering, click on analog engineering, and here click on no more. Now as you can see, sample questions are here. Okay, at first aptitude, let me tell you, aptitude will be in prelims as well as in mains also. Okay, for all domain, but aptitude means only numerical aptitudes are asked in the exam. No English aptitude or reasoning will be asked, only numerical aptitude. So some sample questions are here. At first you should try to solve these sample questions. Okay, and which topics are there in this sample question, those topics are very important for the exam. And as you can see, the analog design sample questions are also here, and basic circuit sample questions are also here. So these 3 topics are there for analog mains exam. Okay, analog design, circuit basics and aptitude, these 3 topics are there for analog mains exam. And for analog prelims exam, not only for analog prelims exam, for digital and embedded, in 3 domains the prelims exam syllabus is same, and that prelims exam syllabus contains basic electronics, which is the basics of digital electronics, and diode, transistor, op amp, BJT, MOSFET. Okay, those basic things, and obviously number system is also there, and you should know the basics of 8086. Okay, for prelims exam, and aptitude is very important for prelims exam. So this syllabus is common for all, and as I already told you, aptitude means focus on numerical aptitudes only, like the time distance problem, clock problem, these kinds of problems. Okay, as you can see here, the syllabus of mains exam analog engineering is given here. Active and passive device, analysis of active and passive circuit, amplifiers and their frequency, response, filter, oscillator including op amp, general electronics and VLSI. This is syllabus. And as you can see here, the marks distribution. So prelims exam will be out of 30, basic electronics and aptitude, time duration 1 hour, and mains exam contains 40 plus 30 analog design and circuit design, which is duration is 2 hours. Okay, so this is about analog engineering. Now see embedded system design, click here, and sample questions are also available here, you can practice. Okay, so logic design and number system, microprocessor, C programming and aptitude sample papers are here, you can practice from this site. Now go to test pattern, let me show you. So test pattern, the syllabus contains basic electronics, logic design and number system, microprocessor, microcontroller, interface, assembly programming, peripheral, and system design and C programming. You can see the marks 30 plus 20 plus 20, digital C, digital microprocessor C, and aptitude, and prelims same for all. Now let's see about digital engineering. Okay, in the same way sample papers are here. Click on sample paper. You can see I am going to show you the test pattern. The syllabus is basic electronics, logic design and number system, C programming and aptitude. Okay, so microprocessor is not there in syllabus for digital. 30 plus 20 plus 20. Now I am going to give you some extra tips and how to prepare basically for digital domain. I want to tell you. So for digital domain, go to YouTube and search Morris Mano digital design solution. Okay, as you can see 297 videos are here. This playlist you can follow. Okay, if you have the Morris Mano book, okay, Morris Mano textbook, from the textbook also you can solve those problems. If you don't have the textbook, don't worry, go to YouTube and follow this playlist. Okay, solutions are here. These types of questions are mainly asked in the exam. And for C programming, search here top 100 CMCQ, and this video 100 CMCQs are here, and here 50 CMCQs are here. Okay, practice this 150 CMCQ. These types of CMCQ questions are also asked in the mains exam for digital as well as for embedded system. Okay, and for some other information go to my channel, take special information, and go to playlist, go to my programming tutorial playlist. Okay, here you can see some videos which are some memory based previous year questions solution of C programming. Actually the previous year questions of Veda IIT you cannot get in Google because they don't disclose the previous year questions, so only some memory based question solutions are here. And my tips: solve the Morris Mano book problems as much as you can and complete those 150 CMCQ and follow these 3-4 previous year memory based questions. That will be enough for your preparation of digital engineering. Okay, if you want to know more about this company or some joining formalities, you can comment. I can make a separate video regarding that and regarding the future opportunities from here. Okay, so if you have any query you can ask me in the comment box section. Thanks for watching.